In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add supplier or purchase invoices in QuickBooks Online. This is an important process as it ensures that your business's financial records are accurate and up to date, especially when it revolves around inventory management. Let's dive into it step by step and make this task as seamless as possible. Alright, to begin with, once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You should see an option labeled Expenses. This is your starting point in the process of recording and managing your purchase invoices. Clicking on Expenses will open up a submenu. Depending on the version of QuickBooks you are using, you will either see suppliers or vendors. These terms are interchangeable and refer to the people or companies from whom you purchase goods or services. Select the appropriate option, and it will take you to a list of your suppliers or vendors. Now, let's focus on selecting the supplier from whom you've received a bill or purchase invoice. This bill represents the transaction that resulted from buying a product or a set of products that you plan to add to your inventory. From the list of suppliers, find and select the one you need. Once you've chosen the correct supplier, you should see an option to Create Bill. Click on this option to initiate the process of recording your purchase. Doing this brings you to a new window where you'll input all necessary details related to the purchase. It's crucial to be as thorough and accurate as possible when entering these details. Start by specifying the items you've purchased and are adding to your inventory. This includes quantities, prices, and any other pertinent information that reflects the transaction accurately. After you've completed entering all these details into the bill, take a moment to review them. Double-check the accuracy to ensure everything reflects your records properly. Once you're confident everything is in order, simply click the Save button. This not only records the bill in your expenses, but also makes sure all accounts are updated accordingly. And just like that, you're done. If you navigate to your inventory section in QuickBooks, you'll see that it has been updated to include these new items, reflecting the changes you just made. Remember, keeping your records updated not only helps in clear accounting, but ensures your inventory levels are spot on, aiding in future business decisions. Thank you for following along today. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks to make your accounting process as smooth as possible.